Hello guys, welcome on channel from Zero to Millionaire. My name is Krzysztof and today we'll be speak how to earn money on white noises music. But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video. Today I want to show you another way to earn money on YouTube channel with music, and this way is a new category of content what you can easily prepare in your home. Use tool what everybody should have in your home. So what it is this category of content? This category is white noises. Yes, you hear good. It is white noises. This song is used to relax or to help child sleep good. Yes, it's for sleeping your child. I think everybody who have a child know when it's raining outside or some another noises outside and child can sleep. And this is the same way. If it's quiet, child sometimes doesn't want to sleep. If you play for this child some sounds for hair dryer or vacuum, this child better sleep and you can making something else in this time, or you can go to sleep if it's part of the night. So let's look into one YouTube channel, what I found and how they doing and how they earning money on this. This is a Polish channel. It's called Lulanko. They have a couple of playlists in their channels. Like you see, there have a couple of them. And here is white noises. And here is white noises for small babies. And if we go to this category, white noises, like you see, they have a lot of movies here. One of this movie is Sound, 10 hours of New Year's Eve fireworks sparks. So if you play this video, you have 10 hours of fireworks sparks sound. Here is white noise for all night, 10 hours jingle bells. So 10 hours of jingle bells. We have now car journey. So if we go going in your car, you hear some noises from outside when we sitting inside. So it's the same sound. It's the same sound recorded and play it. And here is 10 hours. Here is snow blizzard. Here is home of bees. Next sound is sound of the rain. Next, lawn sprinkler, cleaning vacuum cleaner. So it's tools from home. 10 hours of hair dryer, tools from home. Ambient noises. Helicopter, running shower, sleep sound miracle. So if you want look what they have noises and make inspiration of this channel, you can go to this channel Lanko and look like this sounds sounds and make some inspiration and make some similar channel like they prepared. Okay, so what noises you can record it? Like I spoke before, you can use your tools what you have at home. I think everybody have a couple of them and can start record. So couple of ideas: vacuum cleaner, hair dryer, sound of water waves, sound of rain, sound of airplane, fireworks sparks, jingles bells, driving car noises, snow blizzard, home of bees. Some part of this you can record at home. Part of this you can record outside your home. So you need to be a little creative, and you can start from this, and after this you can be more creative and ask your friends, or if you have children, what's sound is the best for sleeping for this child, and you can record this, and you can put all music what you're creating to your channel and start earning money off this video. Now I think you ask me a question. Okay, how many you can earn off this channel money from YouTube channel? We can look on my favorite tool, Social Blade. I have prepared this page. Like you see, they have over 1,000 videos and they have 4,100 subscribers. How many they earning? Like you see, this is estimation between $1,000 to $18,000 per month. Yearly is between 14,000 to $200,000 per year. Yes, it's a lot of money. So you can copy this idea and make the same. We can look on daily statistic. So like you see, it's between $40 to $600. So it's very nice results. And this channel have 6 years, so they putting in the time a lot of videos, so they have a lot of views. And if you will be patient and will be creating content, like you see, it's a lot of, I think you can make similar success like this channel, but it's always depends of you. I know you ask me how to record the sounds, and my answer is simple. Use your phone, and it is good primary basic tools to record sounds. For better quality, you can buy some cheap mic. For example, you can go to Amazon. Like you see, here is some external mic, what you can put to your phone, and you can start record your sounds. It's not very expensive. It's $17 you can buy it, or you can go to AliExpress. It's cheaper. It's around $2, $2 or $3. Of course, you can go to your local shop and buy some external mic and put to your phone and start to record. You can always buy some dedicated record sounds and better quality mic. But I think if you want to start record sound like this and start your channel, your phone and this mic will be enough to start record sounds to this channel. Next, you need to create from this sounds some movie to put to YouTube. So you need some software. To this purpose, you can use free tools. I recommend you DaVinci Resolve. It's a very powerful software and it's for free. And next, when you create this movie, you need to create a good image to your video look better. So you can always go to page, for example, pixabay.com, and here is a lot of photos. You can use it for free. Of course, you need to read information about this photo. For example, if this will be video for child, you can type child. And use, for example, this photo, this very nice photo, to use in video for sleeping for your baby, sleeping baby. And like you see here is license, free for commercial use, no attribution required. So you can use this photo and grab this photo, grab your sound what you recorded, put to DaVinci Resolve, create from this elements video and put to your video and put this video to your channel. So last thing is upload the video to your YouTube channel with nice thumbnails. and uh, and this thumbnail you can make easy for free in program Canva. I show this program how it's working and how to prepare this uh, thumbnails for YouTube channel. And you can go to my video. I put link to this video in description, so you can back to this video and see how I prepared YouTube thumbnails. Why I speak about this? Because people who searching something in YouTube first looking on your thumbnails. So thumbnails need to be good because we searching your eyes. So we starting from thumbnails. After this, we're going to title. So prepare good thumbnails, put your video, prepare good title, prepare good keywords, and you have a nice video who will be good searchable in the YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.